This 2022 East to West Della Terra 261 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 5 TV, stovetop burner, TV antenna, oven, awning, air conditioning, smoke detector, slide out, LP detector, refrigerator, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 East to West Della Terra 261 RB is 6,473 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.